Hey, to connect multiple JBL Clip 5 speakers, first of all, you will have to actually be connected with the first speaker to your first device. So what I mean, here I have my Android smartphone, and when I go into the settings, I'm connected just simply by the Bluetooth, but also you have to be connected with the JBL Portable application. So you can go into the Google Play Store, click on the search, and get this JBL Portable application completely for free. This is the name of the application, the icon, and you have to just download it on your phone. And once you are connected by the Bluetooth settings, and once you actually turn on this application, you will be simply connected. But if you have some issue, like in my case, you can just click on the Bluetooth button one time, and now you will be connected into the application. That's like really simple. And next, when you are connected, you will have to scroll down and select this option, stereo group. And you can actually connect two speakers to stream stereo channel. So we have to click here, and now all you have to do on this second speaker is just to click on this Miracast icon. It will actually move this second speaker into the dual pairing mode. So it means that all you have to do is just to pair your first speaker with your phone and with your JBL Clip 5 application, and then the second speaker you have to just turn on by using the power button, and then click once on this Auracast button, and it will actually show this indicator. Take a look. Let's do this one more time. There we go. You will hear that sound and the indicator will stop blinking, which means that will be actually visible just right here. So we can click create and you will be successfully connected. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.